another checkpost. Yes, few minutes after Green Park, Green Lake. होगी एंट्री? नहीं? लाइसेंस भी मांग रहे हैं. So anyways, see how close we've come to these mountains.
589.
अरे यार, it's so dirty ना. They're not coming only, imagine.
512.
It's much better. So we can the screen here because can't see anything. Man, can't record. Look at this beautiful thing. अबे अब खाना खाने जा रहे हैं.
हाँ तो फिर भी कुछ तो निकालो यार.
तो फिर तो पेट भर जाएगा.
कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा है अभी तो. वो
अच्छा यार, इतना टाइम क्यों लगा दिया इसने?
एंट्री कर रहा था ना एक ही चीज की.
दोनों
परमिट की अलग और इसकी गाड़ी की अलग और सिंगल बंदे का तो हर पोस्ट पे दो बंदे थी तो परमिट के अलग एंट्री करता तो अलग करता तो छोड़ देते. ये अकेले बंदा कर रहा है.
अच्छा चलो सही है. तो भाई वो जगह कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम?
एंट्री खाली इंडियन की करते हैं लोकल करते हैं. आगे हम जा रहे हैं
खांगसर. तो वी आर गोइंग देयर. इट्स अबाउट 2 hours.
यहाँ पे खाना
मुस्तान जाएंगे. मुस्तान कैसे जाएंगे यहाँ से? नशे हो रही दोस्तों देखो नशे.
तो 2:30 बज रहे. अभी खाना खाने जा रहे हैं. देखते हैं मनांग जाएंगे. मनांग में जा रहे हैं खाना. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स दैट टू ग्रैब ऑन. सी यू देयर.
मोटी वाली चाउमीन.
अच्छी चीजें बोल ले भाई.
गांडकी होटल लिखा हुआ है इसमें. लिखा है ऐसे जुलू पीक होटल. मनांग में ही खाना है
तेरी मर्जी है.
मेन लैंड में खाते हैं वहाँ थोड़ा ज्यादा ही होगा.
ओए रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है भाई. क्या बोल रहे हैं?
क्या मेन लैंड में जाके खाएंगे.
अच्छा मेन लैंड.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
एप्पल मिलेंगे वहाँ पे.
एप्पल खिला दे.
ये ले.
लगे तेरे को?
इसको दे ना.
बस
ले ले एक और सिप ले. पक्का देखो. ओ ये क्या है? पानी आगे पॉन्ड. पीछे रह गया. नहीं वो तो बहुत पीछे राइट साइड पे.
जी पानी का रास्ता है क्या कहीं? वो तो वहाँ पे चल गया पुल क्रॉस करके. हाँ.
वही नीचे लगी है बहुत बुरी तरह. वे यार वो एक फुटेज के चक्कर में पूरा बूट अंदर चले गया. आधा तो मैंने साफ कर दिया. फुल बूट वेंट इनसाइड दिस. पता नहीं इट वाज साला ग्रीन कलर लाइक ब्लडी क्विकसैंड. इट वाज शिट. नहीं नॉट टिल हियर इट्स कम. रुक जाओ। अरे इतना गंदा स्क्रीन है भाई इसमें। बस बस हमने आते समय भी रहना है कहीं आफ्टर द ट्रैक, है ना?
ट्रेक के बाद हम आके रहेंगे या तो मनांग या तो खानसारी।
अच्छा,
यस।
या तो अभी हम खानसर रहते हैं, आते हुए मनांग रह लेंगे, दोनों जगह कवर भी हो जाएगा।
यस
यस।
वो नीचे ये होटल है भाई।
गाड़ी इधर डालो, पैदल जाने के लिए होता है ना इधर
यहाँ से पैदल जाना पड़ता है।
अच्छा, पैदल जाना पड़ता है। अच्छा
यहाँ
अच्छा
से गाड़ी है।
से। जब जाएगी नहीं इधर।
जाएगी जाएगी।
A few moments later.
So we finally made it at 3:30. That's our vehicle. So you have to park your vehicles here, and then when here you go walking. You have to start walking. So let's see what we are going to eat here. So this is what the entrance looks like. It's a steep climb. You see. Oh. Here we go. Oh, nice place. See, this is one hotel, Mystic Himalaya. Wonder how the rooms are. What is this? It's looking nice. See, it's very nice. Very well maintained. Pizza, burger and all is there. Let's see. Let's try. This place is looking really nice. So this place was closed. There's another place here. It's a store that has all your trekking stuff. Everything is nice. See how nice.
Yes.
Coming. These are woolen caps, jackets, sanding, all your chocolates and all, medical stuff.
चलिए ट्रैक राउंड अन्नपूर्णा ट्रैक नेपाल। नहीं मेरा
Some magnets.
घंटा यहाँ से ले लेंगे क्या फिर तो उन्होंने खो दिया।
क्या 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 लेना है?
See some magnets and all. भैया ये क्या है सब?
बाप है खाली।
हाँ?
बाप
अच्छा, और ये जो मैप बने हुए?
हाँ वही बाप में स्कार्फ में मैप है।
हाँ।
हमारे पास तो है।
I'm taking this here. ये कितने का है?
इरिटेट की होती तो हर चीज में।
250 is okay for this?
भूख लगी है ना? हाँ, बाय।
ये है क्या स्कार्फ है?
Scarf है. We'll take this scarf. Very nice. So this is what I got for 250. I really like the color and the combo. I really like the brightness of the purple. Damn nice, yaar. So this is the place, other place we are going to see here. They already asked for food. Look at this. We're going on top.
सीधे ग्लेशियर होता है।
Yeah.
खाना तो नीचे खाते हैं। डूब लेगी
See, so nice. Woo. See how they're segregating this green veg. I wonder what it is. Never eaten something. Anyways, this is our view. There you go. And we've ordered chicken momos, chicken fried rice, and chicken noodles. One more thing, we saw yak momos. 1100 bucks they're asking for that. But this is all Nepali price, 1100. Still, it was very expensive, man. So then we cancelled the yak one and we've ordered chicken. So once it comes, then we'll show you. Waiting for the grub now. And we've ordered something to drink, that what to tell yaar. So our lunch is finally here. This is the chicken momos and chicken chow mein, chicken fried rice, and a beautiful, beautiful view. That's our view for our lunch. See? Wow. See from here, like this. Nice. Chalo, now you'll see me eating. In 3, 2, 1, go. So all to all, the food is nice. The momos are not juicy. They are nicely cooked, fresh. Chow mein also is their own desi style. So less masalas and more of flavor. That's what I can say. See, very less masalas. We'll wrap up this here and I'll meet you once the bill comes. I'll let you know how much was bought. So this is the final bill that has come. Chicken fried rice was 850, chicken momo 750, chicken chow mein 850, my latte 400, ginger 170, and Gabriel's juice 300. So 3320. So this is about 2 grand, I think, of Indian money. Here things are expensive because the things to reach here, it has to go through a lot. And it's okay, but the only thing was the damn taste should be worth it, na? The taste only is not there. They made it.
Flashback.
So all to all, the food is nice.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
The chickens were put on top. Very hungry, so we ate it up. Anyways, now we are heading from here. It'll take us half an hour, and I'll catch you from there now on the road. See you. So this was our place. We were seated there, and we are leaving from here, heading ahead. It's half an hour from here. So I've just said, let me just show you the last before we leave. See this aloo. Look at this size. Look the fur on him. He doesn't have a problem here. Chalo, let's see you now. See, we found the caves on the mountain. See?
बेस कैंप वो आगे
Much later.
So we have finally reached our destination. We've even shortlisted our hotel in Khansar. So this is the stay that we're going to stay at. A very good deal we have got with the owner here. And very nice place. Very nice. See a family sitting here enjoying the sun. So this is my room. I'll just show you. You'll be amazed by the price that we have cracked it. See, this is a double bed single bed. Still, I'll be staying here. Gabby and all have a different room. Charging points too, very nice. Lights 24/7, and this is the bathroom. Spick and span. Very nice, very nice. And the view is awesome from here because there's curtain here. See, you can see from here, and then there's a curtain here. See, both sides, corner room, very nice. So this is the room. This is the view from the room. See, and this is where we'll be sitting. Nice, na? So there you go. And let me tell you the pricing. Huh? Abba, that's parking only for us. Here so you can. दाई ये गाड़ी इधर पार्क कर सकते हैं? हाँ हाँ इनका ही है ये. We'll park it here only then.
You can park here.
And yeah, so as I was saying, such a nice deal sir has given us. It's $1,000 a night for per room. Per room per person 1,000. Dai? Per room 1,000. 1,000 per room. 1,000 per room. Awesome deal. And dinner, whatever you want to eat, you order it off the menu, and that's what you'll get. Like whatever you want to order, they'll give it to you. So that's really nice. So that we are not forced to take that extra. They give you a package type. So we didn't want a package because we have our own stuff also today, which we'll be grubbing on. So there's one parking there. So Naina's driving the car, she's getting the car, and here we'll park it here. Let me see, I can't see here. So this is it. इधर
ऐसे जाओ, बैग में आओ.
हाँ ऐसे जा, बैग में लिया. So that's it from here. So now we'll just relax, enjoy our time, and tomorrow we are heading for the base camp. So tomorrow is a big day for us. Not tomorrow, so tomorrow we'll reach base camp within 2 hours from here. We have to trek it, and we reach there, then we'll stay there, and then next day we'll be going to summit one place which is really tough, and you all are going to enjoy this for sure, man. There's going to be lot of hard work. Even in today's vlog, a lot of hard work went. So anyways, I hope you're enjoying this, and I'll catch you in a while. Boom. She's kidding. Now it's coming. Yes. Bus. So you can see the amount of luggage, but this amount of luggage is not going to go with us there. We have to segregate everything and take it. Oh, those steps look very steep with this luggage. And yeah, I'm wearing this because there's too much of dust inhaling, and because of that you start having pain in your throat and a cough. So best is have your morning lemon hot ginger tea. That will do you good. If you can, try having it twice a day. Anyways, putting the stuff. Catch you now. The time is already 9 o'clock, and there you can see 9 o'clock, and we are the last to eat, and we already came before at about 7:30, and we told them that we'll have 3 thakalis, chicken thakalis. So we saw 2-3 people eating here, so we said, why not order that only? So yeah, we have ordered that. I'm waiting for Gabby and Sunena. Once they come, they'll bring in the thakalis, and I'll show you the lovely food, and then we'll end the day after that. So yeah, whenever I'm looking here now means I'm using the front camera. I'm used to looking here all the time. Anyways, so just wait and watch. Because now the food is going to come. Just wait and watch us now how delicious it's going to look. Boom. The grub is arrived.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, Khanus.
Maja Anus. Maja Anus. This is our dinner. See? Wow.
बिस्तारै 5 घण्टामा त पुग्छ आज
Chicken,
बुढो
chicken.
बुढी 71 72
आलु
वर्षको
सब्जी.
12 बजे भन्दा कटेर गरेर 4
There's something. Dal.
म लास्ट टाइम पनि यहीँ बसेर
That's
गएको
not soup, that's dal, man.
यहाँ
This is our dinner.
तर 4-5 वर्ष अगाडि
Huh?
हो बल्ल बल्ल नयाँ नयाँ बनाउँदै
नयाँ
very
नयाँ
soup is
भन्दा
saying.
पनि यहाँ तलपट्टि चाहिँ
So this is our dinner.
र त्यहाँ धाराहरू त्यस्तो
And
देखियो कि बाहिरपट्टि।
chalo, let's dive into this.
is
Very
अलिकति
hungry.
डिफरेन्ट भएछ अहिले See, as you can see, we've done justice. Nothing is being wasted. Some like that person there. He loves wasting. He's not even taken one bite from that.
And better have water.
And yeah, see this is what he's going to wear and sleep today. For the night. This is night suit. He's going to put in each pocket now he's going to put one brush, toothpaste, dental floss, all these different things he's going to put. In the night he's going to use it. Anyways, the food was altogether nice. Vanished it within a few minutes. You saw, oh god, so hungry. But yeah, it was very nice meal till now. And what's the time? 9:47. So bus, now we're going to head home to the room, and I'm going to finish my packing for tomorrow, and that will be for the day. So see you tomorrow with a brand new day, brand new vlog. Adventurous one is coming your way. Don't miss this one, man, I'm telling you. See you soon. Good night.